with fluid art, you do have to wash things out in your sink. There's no way to get around totally using your sink, although I think it is great to use it the least amount possible because you don't want that paint going down your sink. But what I have found really helps a lot are these little sink strainer bags. Now you can get these on Amazon and I will link to them. But wow, what a difference. So you can just take your strainer off and put these little bags on. Now what I do is I put multiple on them and then put this back in your sink, and this will really help so that paint is not going down your sink, right? It catches the loose paint chunks, but it also catches all the globby paint too. I mean, this has been on for a couple weeks and I'll change it out, but look how much this catches. That is just amazing, just from washing your hands. Amazing. So this has worked amazing for me and really helped keep my sink good. And I can tell you that I know my sink is good because I had a plumber come recently for a different problem. And he pulled everything up and he put a big camera down and he went all the way out to the street and he said, "Your lines look perfect." So I know that this is working. So I hope that's a helpful tip for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.